Okay, so the first thing you're going to do is go to TikTok and you're going to come here and you're going to record your video. Now, my suggestion is that you make sure that the frame is wide enough, and you're going to record yourself in two different positions. So you're going to like find a sound, something trendy, cute, whatever the sound is that you want to use. So I'm going to record this for an example because I'm going to show you how you save it. Now, you would do any editing right there that you wanted to do to the video beforehand, and then right here where it says who can view this video, it's public right now. So you're going to change that to private so that only you can see it. And make sure you have this little toggle on so that you can save it, so that it will save directly to your device. And then you're going to post it. And then you're going to wait for the notification to pop up. See, private video uploaded. And you're going to go right here where the little lock is, and your video is going to be here. I have like 2 other videos because I was recording this earlier and I recorded the whole video and the sound was not on. I didn't have my mic on. So I'm doing it again. So I'm going to show you the 2 videos that I did from that lingerie video. So as you can see, I recorded one standing up and sitting down, and you are going to make sure that the frame is wide enough so that you can put as many clones of yourself as you want in the shot. I wanted to do 3, and as you can see me with the robe, I tried it and it didn't work because I was overlapping. So I decided to only do 2, and I changed the position of my camera. So you might want to mark where you were, like sitting so that you don't, or standing so that you don't overlap. So this one, I was a little bit out of the frame. And then that one too, because I just wanted to make sure that there was plenty of space, and you will see why in a minute. So once you have your 2 videos, you're gonna go to VideoLeap. So you're gonna click the plus sign and you're gonna find your videos. Add to project, and you're gonna take the second one, and where it says drop here to turn it to a separate layer, drop it right up here. Yes, like that, and you're gonna line it up. Oop, see, it doesn't line up, so you're just gonna drag it and make sure that it's perfect. Now, what you're gonna do is click the video on the top, and down here where it says mask, you're going to click on that and then click linear, and the line is going to appear. And what you're going to do is like pinch it with 2 fingers and drag it so that you can see both both versions of yourself. And it's very important that you do not move the camera, because look, in both of these videos, everything is the same. And you also kind of want to make sure that there's not much in the background, because you don't want anything to change. My pillows and everything stayed exactly the same. The only problem is the lighting. As you can see, like when I click off, the lighting was like harsher in one of the videos than the other one, and that was probably because of where I was standing. And sometimes you can't really control that. So what I'm gonna do is bring the line over a little bit and try to fix it a little. And to make sure it's not so harsh, you're going to like pinch those 2 arrows right here. You're gonna drag them, if I can do it, like if you drag it all the way like this, and it makes both versions of you opaque. You just want to drag it like that so it's not as noticeable. Oh, this is way better than the first one that I did. Way better. But in the original one that I made, the line was still kind of harsh. So a way that you can get rid of that is by using filters, and I'm going to show you that in a second. So now, wait. Okay, I have a problem because my video is not lining up. Okay, there it is. Now they're lining up. You might have a problem with it like cutting off early at the end, but you could always crop that later. But you want to make sure that at the beginning that both videos are there. So now you're just going to export it and save. And then you're going to go back. You're going to click this button right here. Click New Project. And then you're going to find the video that you just made. Add to project, and then you're going to click on the video. Now you see this little this diamond with the little plus sign. You're going to click on that. You're going to go to the end of the video. You're going to click on it again. Now be careful with this part. So what you're going to do is zoom in. And when I zoom, sometimes it like distorts it. See, like it's starting to move. You're going to zoom in and shift it. Oh gosh. Okay, so as it plays, it's going to do that, right? So now that that's done, you're going to save it. And honestly, this looks good as it is, but you can take it a step further like I did. You're going to go to Prequel. Now, you are going to get your video. Okay, and for the purpose of this, I'm turning it off only because I'm screen recording and I want to make sure that you guys can hear me. What I did was I came to widgets, and this is the one I use, but they're like a variety. There's so many different ones. So when you're here, you're gonna like long press the widget, right? And then down here where it says phone, you just type in what you wanted to say. So I did come over because it goes with the theme. And then the stars were like you can make the intensity brighter. I didn't want to. The text scale, you can change the size, make it a little bit smaller, and then the star scale, I didn't want them super bright, just a little bit of sparkle. And then the position, you do this, it makes the words go up or down. So I wanted them to be at the top. And then you can also like rotate the stars if you want to, but they were fine as they were. And then you press the check and yeah, the video is good to go. So now what I'm going to do is add the music back and then I'm going to save it and then we're going to go to the camera roll and look at it. So when you export it, that doesn't save it. You have to export it and then save it as well. So be mindful of that so that you don't lose your work. And it's taking so long to do this. So I'm going to save it. Now I'm going to go to my camera roll. Somebody's texting me. Okay. Go to my camera roll.
stand in line, I don't pay for clothes for that. Yeah. My blue jeans.
Now, one thing that you could do is like while you're in here, you could just, oh, not do that. See, you could just cut off the end, like I said, and adjust it, save as a new clip so that you don't have that moment where one of the videos drops out the frame. Because that kind of gives it away that, this is an edit. I wanted it to look like I have a twin, that's the whole purpose. So, um, that's why I just did that. Me doing that video was like the first time I've done this, so I'm still learning a lot, but that's the end of this tutorial. So if you have any questions or concerns that I didn't go over in this, then make sure that you leave a comment down below and I will answer it the best that I can. So that's it for this one. Make sure that you like, comment, and subscribe, and follow your girl on TikTok and Instagram at Shadae Not A Do, and I will see you in the next one.